Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to SAFWAN'S. Today we are going to see ice cream.
For this recipe, I have taken 500 ml whipping cream. Freeze mixing bowl and whipping whisk for 6 hours before using. Freeze water in a shallow plate and place mixing bowl over it. Now add 500 ml whipping cream. And beat with an electric beater. Slowly increase the speed and beat well. Now it's almost creamy. Beat well to get peak form. Now add 1 cup condensed milk and mix well. Now divide the prepared cream into 2 equal bowls, and in one bowl add vanilla flavor. Beat well to form peaks and keep aside. Our vanilla flavor is ready. In another portion, add 1 cup cocoa powder. Mix well and beat till it reaches peak consistency. Our chocolate flavor is ready now. Now we can transfer the cream into a container. I am storing 2 flavors in the same bowl, and you can store separately, that's your choice. Cover the container with the cling film and freeze overnight. Our ice cream is well set and ready to serve. Open it. Scoop out the ice cream. Serve chilled and enjoy the taste. Thank you for watching this video. Try this simple recipe and like, share, comment and subscribe to Samayal.